Hi, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holders? So what's going on today, my friend? The video is very important because my friend, the condition is very critical. Minus 0.08%. They will decrease now in last 4 hours. But if we check out, my friend, the last 24-hour chart, so in last 24 hours, 1.26% they will get a profit. It's not a small profit, my friends. Definitely, it's a very good profit, and I hope, my friend, in upcoming time also this coin will get a very good profit. So what you need, my friends, to hold now. And please, holder, if you take a decision to this is start selling time, so don't, my friends, waste your time, sell it. But if you research personally and you say, my friends, so this is buying time now, please, without any information, just buy now. I hope, my friends, when the price will pump up, so definitely everyone is going to be completely die. So therefore I cannot recommend you to do this. Please, holder, one thing more, my friend, in those days every coin were very badly falls down. So if, my friend, Hedera Hashgraph or falls down, so definitely the price prediction, everything is going very bad now. So thanks for watching my all Hedera Hashgraph holder to watch this video. And one thing more, my friends, to in those days, my friend, I think something is going to be very good now. But please, holder, I just, my friends, tell you in a second video of Hedera Hashgraph. But in this time, my friend, expert says to the Hedera Hashgraph price will pumps up, so I just notify you to in upcoming time the price is increased. Please, if you want to get a profit now, hold. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.